Hello, today I'm going to go over the steps on how to create both a graduated symbol map and a Choropleth map, both showing the population of Minnesota. We will begin today on the Minnesota Geospatial Commons website, that is GIS Minnesota, it's not that. That is gisdata.mn.gov. From here, we're going to search city, township. And we're going to click on the second result where it says City, Township, and Unorganized Territory in Minnesota. And we are going to download this shapefile. In an effort to save time, I have already downloaded this file and I've placed it in this tutorial folder. But if you're having trouble finding it, you can simply just click on Downloads and it will be underneath your recently downloaded files. Make sure to unzip the file by right-clicking and selecting Extract All. From here, we will now go into ArcGIS. And I'm going to get rid of these two layers because they're unnecessary and will just get in the way. The first step is to add a folder connection. We will do that over here on the catalog pane by right-clicking the folders. Folder, and adding a folder connection by clicking this right here. We will now search for the folder that we put our shapefile in. For me, that would be the tutorial folder that I told you about earlier. We'll select that or whatever folder you have chosen. Click OK. We now have access to all that data that was in that folder. You can see that by clicking the down arrows. We're going to select the city, township, unorganized shapefile and drag that onto the blank screen. By clicking on the Appearance tab and clicking on the Symbology button at the top of the screen, that opens the Symbology pane on the right side of the screen. Under Primary Symbology, click the down arrow and click Graduated Colors. Under Field, click the down arrow and click Population. That displays the population. We are going to adjust the amount of classes to 3. This adjusts the data into 3 classes. We can see that over here. From there, we're going to further edit these numbers. After looking at the attribute table a little closer, I've decided that these numbers aren't the most suiting for the data, so we're going to add 200 for this lower value. For the medium value, we're going to enter 10,000. And you can see a change over here to reflect what we have just entered there. If you would like to see the attribute data for yourself and make any other changes, you may right-click in the Contents pane and click Attribute Table. Under Population, you can sort it by ascending or descending to view the information. I'm going to close out of the Attribute Table. You can do further edits by clicking More, clicking Format All Symbols. For instance, remove an outline color by clicking the down arrow and clicking No Color. Clicking Apply, we can see that effect take place. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a graduated symbol map. I'm going to go back to the catalog pane, right-click on Maps, and click New Map. Getting rid of these 2 layers again, we're going to use the same data that we downloaded in the first map, right over here, clicking the shapefile and dragging it onto the blank screen. Clicking on the Symbology button under the Appearance tab, once again, we are going to open up the symbology pane. This time on the down arrow, instead of graduated colors, we're going to scroll down and click graduated symbols. And we'll change the field to population. Once again, we're going to change the number of classes to 3. And change this information that we have used in the other table, that being 200 for the lower value, 10,000 for the middle. We can also adjust the size of these symbols. For instance, 2 for minimum, 10 for maximum. It'll look somewhat like this. Now that we have our graduated symbol map and our Choropleth map, we can add them to a layout by clicking on that under the Insert tab by clicking New Layout. We're going to click under Landscape, the tabloid button, and we have a blank layout. We'll click on the Insert tab and click Add Frame to select the first map. I've created a quantile map, but you can add all your maps together on one screen and show them together. To add a legend, you simply just click Legend and click and pull, and it shows your information. Further editing options can be made, but this gives you the basic steps on how to create this. Thank you for watching.